Here's a layout walkthrough of Skybird, a Sheerline 950. This is a 1993 with a single Nani 43 horsepower engine in her. Let's pop on board and take a look. So, access on board is via the stern well. There is a sort of a drop area here to make stern access easier, and also we have quite a good generous doorway to access the main aft end of the boat in. There is some noticeable areas on the green here of just oxidisation where the boat would sort of benefit from some attention, but let's just pop inside and have a look. So, walking through the back cabin, you can see we've got the door around here, and we've got a double berth round on the port side there. We have stowage and hanging locker on the starboard side. There is a door to starboard which gives us access to the shower and toilet compartment. It's electric flush loo thunderbox style on these, and conventional mixer shower just on there, and wet room. Moving forward, we have a door across to the galley area in the aft end of the saloon, 4-burner full standing oven, hob and grill, and a sink and drainer unit with mixer tap and a filtered water supply. Further to the right hand side, we've got some worktop and also the drawer and stowage cupboards just in here. Further forward, got multi stove fridge, or sort of multi-fuel fridge even. This is a sort of gas combined gas electric style fridge. The boat is also fitted. Here we have an immersion heater, and then going forward we've got the main saloon area with U-shaped seating to starboard side, helm to port, bifold leaf table, and engine access under here. This boat, as I said earlier, was fitted with a Nani, so have a quick look under here. So you can see the engine bay, pretty good stowage down there, and the engine's pretty clean, and the bilges look pretty good for the age of the boat. To the port side here, we've got the engine controls and the helm position. Boat is fitted with a side power bow thruster. Indicated engine hours should show state 6281. There is a carpeted area here which does show signs of age. Would sort of be looking to replace at some stage. There's some markings and that on here, but overall it's the woodwork up here doesn't look too bad, but maybe there'll be a consideration on sort of the finishings that you would do on this boat. Moving further down, door to starboard, we've got again electric flush thunderbox style toilet to the starboard side and a sink, and then on the port side, just moving further forward, we've got a standalone shower room with a mixer tap there, and finally at the forward end of the boat we've got conventional V-berth arrangement with some hanging locker stowage on the port side, bit of shelving. Now looking afterwards, see the main saloon again. Folding roof on these, so they're a manual fold on these boats. So you have a couple of locks here which will can be released back and then just gently push back after pushing back end windows out. But the boat itself does need some attention in places, but the layout on that is very good on these Sheerlines. Boats lying here in NYA Horning, and viewings are available. Feel free to give us a call to arrange a viewing.